This video is for helping children with fisted hands do more exploration. So after you've opened the hand with likely some gentle massage from your own thumb, a nice way to do some tactile exploration is to take your child's hand and place it over different textures, maybe a carpet square, maybe a textured book. The idea is that you want to provide some soothing and very welcoming textures to your child's hand so that way they can feel some fabrics, feel some tactile stimulation to help move them along with their development. So give this a try. You can be very creative with the textures, with fabrics that you might want to introduce, maybe a little bit of sheepskin. Maybe you want to, again, use a textured book or a soft type of a scarf or yarn. But this is a lot of fun. And again, you can be highly creative in the tactile exploration.